Owning and flying this single-engine airplane is awesome, but it doesn't have the speed or range of an airline. Long trips need fuel stops that eat into your day. And when you're racing the clock, even grabbing lunch can throw you off schedule. So today, we're testing out ordering Uber Eats from the sky. Will it actually be waiting for us when we land and keep us on our tight schedule? Or just delay us even further?
All right, it's time for our annual trip to the Gorge for Labor Day. See Dave Matthews Band.
This was our 5th year in a row flying up to the Gorge Amphitheater for a weekend of RV camping and concert going. One of the greatest aspects of owning an airplane is flying to hard-to-reach destinations for family trips. But it can be logistically complicated.
The whole day is a pretty long day of travel.
Yeah.
It's 2 legs, 6 hours, total flight time, maybe 6.5, all the way up to Central Washington, for those not familiar with where the Gorge is. And then we have to fly into Richland, which is in Washington, pick up the RV.
It always blows people's minds a bit when I tell them we fly into this small airport in Washington and pick up the rented RV, which is parked only a few feet from the plane. But after picking up the RV, we still got to do a lot of grocery shopping, drive to the venue, and check into the campground. So it's a super long day.
So we're kind of up against the clock a little bit. So we got to do a pretty quick lunch stop because it's a long day. We're going to try to minimize the lunch and the refuel. So it's like a quick turn at McClellan. So we got to figure out a good lunch option. We got the Starlink now.
Oh, yeah.
So I think we should try to order Uber Eats
Okay.
while we're flying, like at cruise altitude,
Okay.
and time it out so the Uber Eats gets delivered to the FBO right when we get there, so we can just like pick it up. It'd be kind of like a drive-through almost.
Awesome.
Yeah. So let's see how quick we can make this turn. Obviously, we're not going to rush. We're going to do things safely, but it'll be fun to see if we can order Uber Eats, pick it up, and then get on our way. See how the rest of the day goes.
Fantastic.
Here's the ambitious schedule breakdown. Depart LA wheels up by 9:15 a.m., land 2.5 hours later at McClellan near Sacramento at 11:45, bathroom, fuel, and food, off the ground again by 12:30. 4 hours of flying to Washington, landing by 4:30 to pick up the RV, make the hour drive to town, grocery shop, drive half an hour to the venue, and check into the campground. With only 45 minutes, including taxiing, to make the quick turn at McClellan, we definitely didn't have time to go somewhere or sit down for lunch. I knew it was going to be tight, even with our Uber Eats plan.
Time off is 9:16. SoCal approach, November 631, Bravo Whiskey Papa Alpha 32 Slant Golf, 2,600 climbing 8,500. VFR flight following Mike Charlie.
Saratoga 1 Bravo Whiskey, squawk 7736.
7736, 1 Bravo Whiskey.
Once we got in cruise, I thought it'd be a good idea to give the FBO a call and see if this plan was even a possibility.
Oh, hey, my name is Eric Hayes. I'm flying a Piper Cherokee and planning on landing at McClellan in about an hour and a half. We're going to maybe have like Uber Eats delivered there. Would that work? Is that all right?
I had a nice conversation with McClellan Jet Services about the food delivery and fueling options. They said it would be no problem to receive the food for us.
Awesome. Thanks so much. So yeah, that's a good idea to like call them and give them a heads up that we're getting some food delivered so it's not a surprise. Hopefully we time it out so we meet the driver there. I like to do that, but if it shows up before us, that's fine too. What do you think, Uber Eats or DoorDash? I think Uber Eats. McClellan Jet Services FBO, 3028 Peacekeeper Way. Okay, it's an office.
V check, what is that? The melt one.
There's burgers, there's a crispy chicken. Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
It's about half an hour lead time, so when we're half an hour away, we'll put that order in. This video is not sponsored by Uber Eats, but it does have a sponsor, and it is food related, and that sponsor is Factor. We're doing this RV camping weekend, and I actually got a new Factor box with a bunch of meals, and we put them in the cooler, and we're bringing them to the Gorge so that we can microwave them and eat them there. Should be like super easy meals.
Yeah, and way better than trying to cook in an RV.
I think this time I got like the Calorie Smart pack.
Oh yeah?
So we'll have to try that, see how it is.
Okay.
And they're just in the cooler. They just need to be refrigerated. They're not like frozen or anything. So I think it's going to work out great.
It was awesome to be able to avoid some of the high-calorie food from the venue and quickly make a Factor meal in the RV. It made meals during the weekend easy and delicious. Factor really helps us take the guesswork out of eating clean, and this Calorie Smart box has made portion control easy with 350 to 550 calories per serving. So head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code MONKEYFB50 to get 50% off plus free breakfast for 1 year. That's code MONKEYFB50 at factor75.com to get 50% off plus free breakfast for 1 year.
We've got about 26 minutes until landing. I'm about to start the descent. Let's get this order in because it says about 26, 27 minutes here.
Can I have it?
Put your order in there. That's a cart. All right, and 2 orders of fries, Sicilian chicken. That's a cart. I'm going to go to checkout. We're going to say leave at building reception for November 631 Bravo Whiskey. 30 minutes to 46 minutes. That should be perfect. It says you seem far away from this address. Yes, I am. I'm 50 miles away. I will be there soon. Okay, order received. All right, the order is on the way thanks to the Starlink. Let us see how this times out. SoCal approach November 631 Bravo Whiskey. We'd like to begin our VFR descent for McClellan.
November 1 Bravo Whiskey, roger, altitude is your discretion.
So in the interest of time, I'm just going to do the full serve fuel. So we'll park, go, I'll get the full serve fuel going. You guys go to the bathroom, pick up the Uber Eats, get back in the plane, take off and eat. Just picking up for your order arrives 11:49 to 12:06. I don't know, we'll see. I think maybe that Uber Eats is taking a little longer. We'll see how it times out. Uh-oh. Hopefully it doesn't delay us. McClellan Tower, November 631 Bravo Whiskey is 5 miles to the southeast, and I'm inbound and I have the weather.
Number 61 Bravo Whiskey, McClellan Tower, roger from the southeast, left downwind entry, runway 16, port downwind.
Okay, left downwind entry for runway 16. I'll report on the downwind, 1 Bravo Whiskey. Okay, 1 Bravo Whiskey is on the downwind to McClellan Tower.
Runway 16, clear to land.
Clear to land 16, 1 Bravo Whiskey, thanks. We've been cleared to land.
500.
All right, cool. We touched down. What time is it? 42 after. I think the food was supposed to be here between like 49 after and 12:09. So we'll see.
All right, we're here. You hungry?
Yeah.
I'm hungry too. Okay, wait, what time is it?
11:14.
Okay, so Uber Eats says 12:04. It's 11:48. Okay, so Uber Eats is taking a little longer than we thought, but I think by the time we go to the bathroom and fuel up, it should be good. Maybe we're running a little behind. Maybe we should have called it earlier. I don't know. The delay was going to make things tight, but gave us a few minutes to enjoy the newly remodeled McClellan Jet Services FBO. With a 4-hour leg ahead of us, everyone was sure to go to the bathroom. And we got the plane topped off with fuel. Hopefully soon. Hungry.
Okay, how far away
It's coming
is he
down
now?
the street. It's so exciting. 2 minutes away.
Are you as excited for Uber Eats as Daddy is? I'm not playing up hungry yet.
I'm excited when somebody just brings you food to your airplane. It doesn't get that much better. Oh, there we are. Is that for Eric? Amazing. Yes.
What's the name?
Eric?
Eric.
Yeah.
Eric, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks. Got it. Let's go. All right, I wanted to be in the air by 12:30. It's like 12:10, so I think we got a good chance of making that happen. Let's go. After a long taxi, run-up, and SOP callouts, we are wheels up at 12:26 p.m., 4 minutes ahead of schedule. This plan kept us on time and was a great start to an epic family fun weekend. Besides ordering food from thousands of feet in the air, I found the Starlink internet super useful for in-flight weather with Windy. So I've been using windy.com as a supplement to my official briefings for the last couple years, and it's really leveled up my flying adventures. With the visual weather tools on the Windy website, I'm able to get a better idea of some go, no-go decisions and plan my routes strategically farther ahead of time. Being able to see cloud layers, cloud tops, freezing levels, winds aloft, the Cape Index, and so much more useful information helps me visualize the weather in the days and hours leading up to the flight. But poking around Windy really isn't enough, which is why I put this detailed course together to help you harness the power of Windy by understanding exactly what you're looking at. I really recommend properly learning this tool for every pilot because it's a game changer for trip and flight planning. So feel free to check out my video course at levelupyourweather.com. This course is brand new, and the first 100 signups with code MONKEY100 will get 15% off.